let's take a look the updates for the Polkadot. So I mark in the last video the $1.10. This is can be my futures trade entry. Stop loss is hard to say where to put it, but for example, based on the risk management, we can add it to the $1 and the $5, $1.03, $1.05, 5% stop loss. So for example, with the second leverage, it's going to be the 10, and the target, this one, this high. So 10% against 226. It can be the good trade for the future. Recently, even I posted that news, but after that I deleted it because it was the fact, or maybe it was not a fact. So someone on the hyper bridge minted a lot of dots, right? And it was like over than 276 millions something, but just after a few hours, or the hyper bridge or some other account post, it was just a joke or something. That's why I don't want to dive into that speculation in media. And what I know, we need the regulation. We need hard regulation of the crypto sector in general. Yes, even with KYC, with total control, but with a healthy, normal market when you can, for example, use some service, some bridge, and don't worry about your money, about some exploit or something, some hacks. Did you ever seen in the last 10 years or the 5 years someone hacked the bank? Of course, the robbers can steal the money on the road, for example, or ATM, but I never heard someone stole the money from the bank, like a hack. Maybe I'm wrong, If somebody stole the money from your card, it's another story, but not from the bank account for like IBAN. In crypto, it's just a daily routine. You just open the Twitter and see the one hack, another hack in one chain and another chain. So that's a kind of weird. That's why we need the regulation. We need the last tokens and their regulation. So this is my entry. Can be the entry for the futures. And I wish to see, just to be honest, these targets, it's like 5% down. Now it's Wednesday, so I hope to see this by Monday. ADZ direction. And this is accumulation on 12 time frame, daily time frame. We're in neutral zone. That's why most likely we're going to, in 90% cases, we're going to sweep that low. Some accumulation, yes, of course, on the direction indicator. Weekly time frame, of course, I showed you we're in a huge accumulation. The same like it was here in June 2022 was happening that time. Here, we've been in accumulation. We rebounded from $6 to $9.50. Now we're in a bigger accumulation, so at least we can rebound to the 275 or to 100 EMA, 390, or to 200 is 722. Targets relevant, we will see if the dot will survive this, yes, we can call it the bear market for the altcoins since 2021 or not. Because some projects, even with the big names, can be delisted, can vanish out of the market. Because you can just type on CoinMarketCap, go into historical snapshot, and check the top 20 altcoins in 2017. I think you could not find that some of that tokens now in top 100. They're just out of that top 20, top 50, top even 100. The same story can be with the Polkadot. So the ADZ in accumulation, direction in accumulation. Take a look, the market's more money power. Locally, daily, this capitulation. And finally, only now, this is what I need to see. Only just today, we see the money inflow into DOT. But I need to see the drop and the confirmation. Weekly time frame, yes, it's good. Like 1-2 weeks in a row, money in. And the whales don't care about a time. They can accumulate, for example, at $1.15, dump the price to 60 cents again, buying again, and with average entry like $1, put the price to $2 and out of the project at all. Also possible. That's why I'm not rush, right? I'm just wait the confirmation. Market mode showed. Take a look the trade on and the take profit. The emails we can close. This one. The buy line now, guys, for the Polkadot is $1. For the value of the dot is 73 cents. Take profit line $1.96. Exit line $2.21. Weekly time frame is for the value of the second $1.96. Take profit line is 5.24. I recommend you to add alerts to the lines and wait the notification. So sooner or later, anyway, we're gonna retest this line, and the buy line. Guys, I hope you like this video, right? Please send a comment what you think about the dot. If you like to trade as my custom site or showed in this video, use right in the DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.